unless if you lock it. Look at that. What is this? A timer?
Yeah. No, I think it's a hydrometer.
Hydrometer?
It's nice. Should I open?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can't believe I had this one.
Show it to the audience.
Oh my god.
Look at that. May I take a picture of you?
Yeah.
Wait.
So beautiful. Oh my god, Betty, I can't believe.
I'm gonna take a picture of you.
Okay.
This. Yeah.
But it's tiny. I used to remember my violin is very big.
No, it is the same size. Maybe you are too small.
Maybe because I'm too small.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Can I remove these things?
Yeah.
I want to check the other things. So this one. There's some photos. Come. Oh my god.
What are these?
You
It
better
has-
put the light. I think it is good. Oh, Kambil is beautiful violin. Oh my god.
And here you go. How to take this out?
No, the bow.
Yeah.
Oh.
This way. Want to open your bow out?
Yeah. Is this thing? I think I need the scissor.
I can do it for you. No, it's already open from here.
Ah, it's easy. Yeah. Is it light? Yes, I don't know.
Carbon fiber?
Yeah, this one is carbon fiber. That is what they call. You see? Carbon fiber bow. Can I say this?
And the horse tail, how is it made up from?
I think mentioned there. Which Siberian horse?
Oh, it's from Siberian
Yeah.
horse? Maybe. I will take this out here.
Maybe we can cut it with the scissor. Use a
Yeah.
scissor.
Look how it is.
I'll bring one.
It's just Stradivarius violin.
Huh?
Stradivarius violin.
Okay. Take it out. And two.
You want to take this out?
No, I want to see this one inside. Yeah. They have sent me
You want to take this out?
yeah. Oh, see? This one is
What is that?
the shoulder rest.
Oh, the shoulder rest.
Yeah.
I'm going to take this
It comes
cover
with
out. Here, I removed
Oh.
this. Have they tuned this up?
Oh, it's with the green color rosin.
Rosie?
Yeah, they have tune, but they ask us to tune because there may be humidity changes.
Oh, okay.
This is the rosin they are sending with that. And I think this is my tuner.
Tuning fork.
I ordered a tuning fork separately. And this.
How do you use this?
You have to fix it here.
It's a tuning fork?
Yeah. There's a tag as well for the bag. See?
Yeah.
It's a nice tag. And yes, what is this?
I think this is something that you can use to tune.
Maybe this is a silent muter. Mute or mute, I don't know.
Get this inside.
It's not there.
Silicone. Okay. Here's your violin.
Can I play? Can I play?
Yes, you can.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't apply any rosin.
It's okay.
I think I have to apply rosin.
Do you?
Yeah.
This will fall onto. Keep it right here.
They have some checklist kind of a thing. I think they check whatever they do.
Okay, string heart.
This is this tuner. I'm going to apply rosin. Let's see. I'm going to tighten the bow. It's not tight enough. Cool. Like this, right?
Yeah, along.
Thank you.
No problem.
I think
This is your violin. Do you know how to play?
no. I think I'm holding the bow incorrectly.
Let me do that.
Okay.
I remember I was playing my sister's violin. Why is it?
I think it's not enough rosin.
Yeah, we need to apply more, I think.
Do I have to like sketch this?
No.
No?
Is there anything else that we have to apply in here?
Maybe a few sketches will improve. Oh, try. I used to do that when with my old violin. You can tune in between.
it on the here. See? You tuning that one? No.
Don't know which one.
Yeah, I think it's already tuned. Yeah, that's the one you tuned.
Really?
Let's see now. Maybe you're applying on the here too. No?
No, no. That I'm sure.
There's something I think I apply on that too.
Okay, thank you. This is my new violin. I'm going to learn it. I'm going to learn it and I will tell you what it is going to be, right? Okay, let's stop.